One day, the tiny robot you see here could help clean up contaminated water by gathering and destroying disease-causing bacteria in its path. And rather than staying behind in the water like conventional disinfectants, it can be removed easily with a magnet. Small armies of these bots could help the world clean up water in places where potable sources are scarce. The researchers who created them, Diana Vilela, Samuel Sanchez Ordóñez, and their colleagues in Germany and Spain, engineered the microbots as spherical particles with two faces. One face is made with magnesium, which reacts with water to produce hydrogen bubbles for propulsion. The other face is made out of iron and gold layers topped by silver nanoparticles. Bacteria stick to the gold and are killed by the silver coating. Lab testing showed that the particles can motor around in water for 15 to 20 minutes before the fuel or magnesium is spent. In that time, they can collect and kill more than 80% of E. coli in water spiked with a high concentration of the bacteria. The researchers say that adding more bots could potentially improve these numbers even further. And because the spheres contain iron, which is magnetic, the microbots can be removed easily with a magnet, making cleanup a snap. The scientists report their development in the journal ACS Applied Materials and Interfaces.